Tim here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we do this account every other month. It is November, so we won't be here for the rest of this year. If this was a monthly account, I would probably wait and do this in December, what I'm about to do. But since it's every 2 months, we won't be here for the rest of the year. I need to do it today, so that way it looks good until pretty much next fall. So, we just got finished washing it. We washed it with our standard, concrete with our standard degreasers, butyls, hydroxides, things like that. So the concrete's clean, but it has stains on it. And those stains come from this beautiful things that we have every year that drops out, and they're called leaves. So the leaves have pretty much dropped, except for there's still a couple of trees that have a few on it, and that's why normally I'd wait till December so that all the trees are dropped in Tennessee and wouldn't have a problem. It would last until next fall, but since I'm not going to be here, gotta do it today. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make up a little bit of water and a really strong bleach mix. I'm probably going to just get rid of some more of this water. I'm probably going to go to about, let's say 12.5. I'm probably going to go about 4 or 5% is what I'm targeting. I'm not measuring it. It's just chunk it in, spray it on, clean the pump up sprayer out, and call art. But what it's going to do is it's going to disappear the tannin stains that's left from the leaves. So when leaves drop, they change color. And they go from green to reds and yellows and oranges and pretty things like that. So when they're in your driveway, if they're crushed with your car, get wet and get crushed, just like if you were to pick them up and you were to wet leaf and squish it, you get a color. Same color gets down into the concrete. You have to have something that's going to, kill the color out of that those tannins that's transferred. Bleach. So bleach works good. And that's the reason why we use it, because it works good. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a quick spray. I'm going to make up some bleach. I always carry bleach on me. I always carry some bleach. This is an old Red Raider container, so I always have some on me. I put it in, our container over there. I always have some on me because I never know when I may run into something like this. I never know when I may run into something that is so dirty or green or bad that my regular house wash mix, or even as strong as I can downstream it, will kill. So I like to have one for those spots that just needs a little extra kick. So what's what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna kick it up and spray it on, and we're gonna watch it disappear. 10 more TLC Pressure Washer. Watch this. Okay, so this area does not get cleaned when we clean. We only clean certain areas of the concrete. I'm looking for a spot. So this area is dry. You see that? So if it's dry, it's going to immediately start working. Now this is, of course, been cleaned and it's still wet. So I don't have time to wait on this to dry. Did not bring a blower to try to speed the drying up with me. So what I'm going to do is spray it on. It's going to take longer to work because the concrete is wet or hydrated. So hydrated is going to dilute my mix a little bit and take longer to work. But by the time it dries, all of these stains that I'm hitting are going to be bye-bye. And there's quite a few of them. There's a lot of leaf stains. So, and I'm just hitting. It's easier sometimes just to generally broadcast it to hit the whole concrete, and then make sure the area that's really bad gets a good solid bit. And I made up about half a gallon. I'll use it all. I'll spray it all. I'm not gonna worry about half a gallon. Saving a half a gallon, which is only a couple of bucks, because this makes my job look so much better. So, only once a year. No, this would not do beneficial on a monthly basis. These stains only come up in fall. So there's no sense in doing this any other time except for the time of year we get leaves and things like that. So any place I see a leaf stain, I'm gonna make sure it gets a little extra so it works. There we go, here we go. Time to go home. Other jobs to do today. Have a good Thanksgiving. Anybody that's, what is everybody having for Thanksgiving? Yeah, if like, subscribe, and comment what you're having for Thanksgiving this year. Are you going out? Are you cooking? Are you having turkey, ham, just vegetarian? What are you having for Thanksgiving? Check that out. By the time I sprayed all of that, the first area I sprayed was already disappeared, but as you can see, this is where the stain was. Stains disappeared. Gone. Really quick. No more tannin stains.